Good morning, everyone. February 5th. Going quick. I did not feel like doing a video today, but gotta keep doing it, right? Won't be a long one. Macon, Georgia. I only have there. I mean, you can see $79 worth of orders. That were. I guess you can't see it. Back up and down, up and down, up and down. Come on, eBay. Time is money. Oof. So yesterday finished at 132, which is, $50 more than the day before. Nothing today. It just seems slow again. So yeah, the 11 orders for $79. So it definitely will not be a long video. Half of it's airplane cards. I already pulled them. T34. Can't have all winning days, right? Oh, and thumbnail, I just asked Chet, I said, just do something. And, of course, it regurgitated thumbnail it had already done. And to make big money, I don't know who it's talking to. I make good money, but I don't make huge money. Someday I will. Someday I'll be a winner. But you got to list to be a winner, and I've been doing much listing, sorting. I don't know why I'm sorting, but I'm sorting. I almost passed it up. Catalina Island. I want to go there someday. It's just like all the postcards I've seen. I was like, I want to go. That, and I've always said Block Island, Rhode Island. And there was somewhere else I just saw. It was on a postcard. I was like, yeah, that wouldn't be bad to go to. Although I don't really have any ambition to go to Niagara Falls or Mount Vernon. Well, I like history, so maybe I would go to Mount Vernon. Take all my Mount Vernon postcards and drop them off. Selling more ginger. Z16. Is that all the millennials? Is that millennials or Gen Z? I don't know when this was. Probably 2000, right? I don't even remember. When was Ginger? Ginger was from 2000 to 2004. So what's that? The end of the millennials and the beginning of Gen Zs? I thank you all for your purchases. So yeah, they're not big money, but when you find Continental, that's 25 years old. When you find, a stack of them, list them once, $5. How many of those have I sold recently? So, 10. That's $50 for just a couple minutes of work. And I haven't had to touch that listing in a year and a half. Easy peasy, right? Again, not big money, but be consistent sellers. These floral greetings, although I should have put floral, has almost like a metallic look to it. Be better if it was postmarked by the same town. I put it in a carrier sheet to scan it. Oh, because the mica, the glitter, 1908. Again, that would be much better if it was postmarked by the same town. I don't know how big Middletown, Ohio is. But some of those smaller towns, that might have been the only postcard. Well, not only, but one of the few postcards from that town. Let's check how big Middletown, Ohio is. 52,000. So not a small area at all. No. Okay. Someone bought it for $6. There's that one. And then I think the rest are airplane cards and choo-choo trains. Gonna be another short video. Got a whatnot this weekend. I don't know what it's gonna be. Don't know if it's gonna be a fill a flat rate or not. I do still have a lot of cards I gotta get rid of. And then this one. I don't know if these are going to the same people or not. I'll figure that out when I print them. So, I got nothing else really to talk about. U22. Patriotic. Decoration Day. Memorial Day. 22. U22, where are you? Scooby-Doo. I was getting ready to launch into Scooby-Dooby-Doo. That's my favorite cartoon growing up. I think I've talked about it before, and it was ruined when Scrappy-Doo came along. And then there was the races, the Hanna-Barbera races. Wacky Races? I can't quite remember. AV1. B11. Let's try 11, John. I don't know why. I was just listing. I had just New York to list. Normally, I would pass this by. When I'm sorting, it's a lake. And it just, that visually, nothing really, it's a lake. But I was like, F it, just listed at a price just to get rid of it. Again, I probably had it at $9.95, added a quarter to compensate for the shipping increases. Let me look at the other one. And I've sold several of that lake. Is that the right one? There's that one. Let me make sure. Yeah, got that one. No, this one. Just list it and let it go. I got a whole bunch of those lakes, and I've already sold a whole bunch. Come on. Unless I already sold this one. Come on, where are you? Where are you? There you are. There's that one. Oh. Okay, yeah, I have two of them. There's the other one. Denoted by that little one right there. A111. So we'll do a refresh here. I won't. It's over $20, but I'm not gonna. It's going eBay standard envelope. If they would have bought a third one for $10, I would have done that. But right around that 20 is my cutoff for me to upgrade to first class or ground advantage. So that's it. Nothing else. So I hope you can find another YouTuber who actually does make big bucks on the selling postcards, because not me the last couple days. Okay, everybody, hope you have a great day. Another 9-minute video. You're lucky. See you, love you, bye.